Hey, cut, it's June 6th and I just ate a steak. They stealing on my swag, they looking like some ticks. They all really ugly, kinda give me icks. They all suck so bad I think they need a kick. Go to fashion shows, but I end up on the runway. Said she drive a Rari, but she pulled up in a Hyundai. I don't have much beef, but I do have some with Emily. Freak Montez, you dirty rat, I hope your poo is running. Too many racks, I can't fit them in my back. I just started and it burned my back. Bought a brand new Lambo and its color was black. Looked at Emily, thought she deserved a smack.